Hey guys, so I'm back. I have an update about the Onyx Note Air cover. So remember in my last video I said that it was it looked like unuseful actually, and I was not sure what these two pads on the cover were. The same thing here. I didn't know what these two were actually doing there, because I was a little bit afraid about if these are permanent um, stickers, then it would or damage my e-ink device or the cover itself. But I found something. So in the stores they sell this kind of device. It's a gadget. When you look at the back side, it's called the Magic Grip, and it's actually some kind of sticky, how should I say it, some kind of sticky, it's not a sticker, but yeah, it's a sticky pad, I would call it. And you can regenerate it just by putting it underwater, like you can see here. And I think this is what they used in this cover. So it's not sticky definitively, but you can regenerate it, I suppose. But normally you cannot regenerate it indefinitely. So there is a moment that it will not be sticky anymore and that you cannot regenerate it anymore. However, this means that for this review I was not afraid to use it, to remove the protectors and then put my device on it. Let me show you. So here we see it. I'm going in the inside, I'm putting the blue part. I'm going to close it and then there. So now it's closed and it should be sticky. How can we test this? I'm opening and we can see that everything, you see, this is what I think with time will happen. So, but it should be in some way it's sticky enough to make sure it's not going, see, it's not coming out of it. Without it, I remember it was coming out of it. So the stickiness is just enough to keep it on place. I'm not sure how long this will keep everything in place, but it surely does now. I also saw a comment from somebody that thought that maybe these two were magnets. So I want to test this. I'm going to take the pen and see if it attaches somewhere. It is not. So it surely is not magnetized. This is, yeah, just if I remove it, it's just another way. So you saw I removed it. It's just another way to keep it in place. But I don't like it in this side. Look, it's not opening anymore. I really need to remove it. So where did I put the little thingy? So I'm going to put it back on. I don't know for what these two will serve. However, I can continue my review now. There is something that I didn't show you. You can put the tablet, I don't know if you can see it, it's hinging. And this is done so that you can put it like this, like a stand. That's nice, right? And the only way that this is possible is thanks to the two pads on the back. However, I would have preferred that they put something like this. If I show you on the Kobo, let me show. I showed it in the previous video, but I want to show it again. You see, you have a place where you can click it in. And I see the same with all these kind of covers. You see here is the pocketbook, and this one is less nice to look at, but still you see 4 borders keeping it in place, and that's a system that works. I'm afraid that the stickiness of these pads will not, but at least now we know that we can use it. It's not dangerous for your Note Air, but still I don't find it the best thing. But you see you can put it in any way you want here, and it stays even at this angle. I don't know if you can see it. If I put it in a strong angle, every time it's keeping, it's not falling. Okay, this is the tipping point, I think. So here we are fine. I'm not sure if we can use it to keep it like this. Yeah, but it's not really helpful. So if I put it like this, I think it's too strong to look at. We should have some inclination so that it would become usable. But I think for this we should use just a simple stand holder, like the ones that I showed in my other videos. Let me show you. We had this one, remember? It was one that I purchased on Amazon. Completely portable. 13 euros. And for the Max Lumi it was too small, but for this one, for sure, look, we can easily use it in any mode we want. It's strong enough. You should look at my other video where I demonstrate this one. And then there was the other one that I preferred. Let me show you. Where is it? It was the most portable one. This one I like because it was portable, and the other one too. So let me show it. So this is how it looks like. It's much less weight to carry on, and you see it's very small. It's one from Amazon Basics. 14 euros. Just open, tilt, and put it any way you want. Like for example this, or even stronger, like this. You see, you can choose any tilt you want with this one. And it's really strong. You see, it's not moving. Even when I put it like this, it's really strong. It's not tipping over. So yeah, these stands are very good for the Note Air. But all in all, I'm not so a fan anymore about the Note Air due to its weight and yeah, a lot of downgrades. But about the cover, and this is what we were speaking of, we have some functionality. The pads are not durable, I think, but we will see. And then there is still the mystery of this pen holder that I still don't know where we could put it. So there was the elastic where you can put it in, and on the back side you have something to paste it somewhere, but it's not possible at the inside, otherwise it would not close, and at the exterior it would be strange. So no, I don't think the magnet will go through the cover. Oh, it is going through the cover. You see? The magnet is going through the cover. Yeah. So at the same places. Okay, that was it. That was my update. Thank you all. See you in the next video.